Good morning. This is Raymond Cabral with MVP Realty. I'm here at 5616 Greenwood Lakes Circle in Villas at the Greenwood Lake. I'm going to show you a unit that right now we have it for sale or rental. This is a villa at Greenwood Lake Circle. I'm going to show you, flip the phone, show you a walk around so you can see it. If you're interested in taking a look at this villa, great community. Right now we're getting all the roofs replaced at this unit. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2 baths, about 1,500 square feet on the air. As you can see, we have a great open layout. You see the den. This is your second bedroom here. Bathroom, kitchen area, nice open floor plan. This is your master bedroom here. Updated master bath. Closet space. And also a nice lanai, expanded lanai. If you would like more information about this unit, please contact me at 239-293-8571, or you can visit me at www.raymondcabral.com. Thank you.